The red chili powder manufacturing process in a factory inside.
The red chili powder manufacturing process in a factory involves several steps. First, ripe red chilies are sourced and cleaned thoroughly to remove impurities. Then, they are dried under controlled conditions to achieve the desired moisture content. The dried chilies are ground into a fine powder using specialised machines. This powder undergoes quality checks to ensure it meets safety and purity standards. Finally, it is packaged and labelled for distribution. The factory employs strict hygiene and safety protocols throughout the process to deliver a high quality and flavourful red chili powder to consumers worldwide.
From flower to fragrant spice, the meticulous of saffron production.
The saffron making process in a factory involves several steps to ensure the production of high-quality saffron. First, the delicate saffron flowers are handpicked to preserve their stigmas. These threads are then carefully separated from the petals and dried using gentle heat to maintain their vibrant colour and distinctive flavour. Next, the dried saffron threads undergo a meticulous grading process to ensure uniformity and remove any impurities. Finally, the premium saffron is carefully packaged and stored in a controlled environment to preserve its freshness and potency until it reaches consumers worldwide. This precise and labour-intensive process guarantees the finest saffron, highly prized for its culinary and medicinal uses.
Soybean making in factory from seeds to oil and meat.
The soybean manufacturing process in a factory involves several key steps. First, raw soybeans are inspected for quality and cleaned to remove impurities. Next, they are dehulled to remove the outer shell, leaving the edible cotyledons. The dehulled soybeans are then cracked into smaller pieces. After that, the soybean pieces undergo solvent extraction to separate the oil from the meal. The extracted oil is then refined, bleached and deodorized to produce edible soybean oil. The remaining soybean meal is processed into various forms like flour, protein concentrate, or isolate, which find application in food products, animal feed, and industrial uses.
How to coffee powder making process in a factory inside.
The coffee powder making process in a factory involves several steps to produce high-quality coffee powder. First, the raw coffee beans are carefully selected and sorted to ensure uniformity. Next, they are roasted to bring out the desired flavours and aromas. After roasting, the beans are cooled and then ground into a fine powder using industrial grinders. The ground coffee is then sifted to remove any impurities or oversized particles. To preserve freshness, the coffee powder may undergo packaging in airtight containers or vacuum-sealed bags throughout the process, resulting in the final product, ready for distribution and consumption.
How to making crispy delight bikaji bhujia in the factory.
Bikaji bhujia is made in the factory through a well-organised process that ensures quality and consistency. The process begins with sourcing high-quality ingredients like gram flour, spices and edible oil. These ingredients are carefully measured and mixed in precise proportions to form the bhujia dough. The dough is then fed into specialised machines that shape it into thin strands. These strands are then fried in hot oil until they turn crispy and golden brown. After frying, excess oil is removed and the bhujia is seasoned with additional spices for flavour enhancement. Finally, the bhujia is cooled, packaged and ready to be distributed for consumers to enjoy the delicious and crunchy snack.